My origin is somewhere in the depth of the earth. And my story began billions of years ago, when I was born in a blaze of fire. I helped you survive through the ages. I changed the way you work, and I changed the way you live. I've been part of mankind's greatest achievements. I allowed you to expand your frontiers, to explore the land, the water, the skies, and even the universe. Throughout the centuries, I was reborn again and again. I am known for stability and strength. My quantity is measured in millions of tons, but my quality is defined in a millionth of an inch. I've stretched the possibilities of human imagination. I've inspired you to shape your visions and reach new heights. Once I'm back to where I came from, I can become virtually anything you can imagine. I am more versatile than I have ever been before. I am always with you. I will protect you and guide you. I am all around the globe, wherever you go. I am everywhere and will always be. I am the engine of innovation. I am the pulse of the modern world. And you will build your future on me. Because I am steel, the framework of life. Hamiran Steel.